Everyone, thank you for visiting philosophy again today. Everyone, you must do this. In the age of AI, I demand that you clearly understand what we need to pay attention to. Your eyes are wide open, but are you a citizen of life illiteracy, unable to read any of the world's signals? Same commute, the same people, the tedious routine. What if all of this was actually a hieroglyph? Speaking to you, Dr. Bae Cheol-hyun, a Harvard PhD and religious scholar, says, for those who do not study their own lives, existence is merely passing noise. The synchronicity, discovered by the giant of psychology, Carl Jung, is a microscope for decoding the secret ciphers of life. Why did you hear that specific word today? Why did that particular book catch your eye? Ask yourself questions that shatter common sense. Within the coincidence you mindlessly ignored, a necessity lies hidden that will change your destiny. Now we begin a chilling philosophical journey to open your eyes. Transition now, everyone. Midpoint of our lives, we often think, is my life just a series of accidents or just meaningless repetition? But Carl Jung offers a shocking proposition. Those fleeting moments we call coincidence are actually sophisticated notes the universe is sending specifically to you. 1. Necessity, wearing the mask of coincidence. Synchronicity. Jung defines synchronicity as the simultaneous occurrence of two events that are not causally related but are deeply meaningful to the individual. Have you ever thought of someone intensely only for them to call you that very second? Or encountered a rare object in a shop that you saw in a dream last night? Usually we say, what a coincidence, but Jung insists it is an event where your subconscious and the external world perfectly align. 2. The microscope of life. Nature has no room for accidents. The Earth orbits the Sun with zero error. The universe has maintained order since the Big Bang. In Jung's view, there are no coincidences, only our inability to see. Like someone who sees Egyptian hieroglyphs as mere drawings on a rock, we miss the messages. Learning to recognize synchronicity is like learning the new language of your own life's hieroglyphs. 3. The observer creates the world. Consider the observer effect in quantum physics. The moment an observer looks at a particle, its state is determined. Life is the same. If you read a poem about dandelions in the morning, you will see dandelions everywhere that day. They were always there, but your mental code pulled them into your reality. Your focus creates your world. 4. Signals beyond death. When Dr. Bae lost his dog Bella after 12 years, a rare butterfly with a heart-shaped pattern identical to the fur on Bella's chest appeared and mimicked the dog's unique movement. Jung would say this butterfly was a symbol of the subconscious resonating with the external world to provide comfort. It tells us, you're not alone, the universe is watching. Part 2, How to Awaken. 5. The miracle of 5 minutes. Jung said, only the awakened can open the door. Our brain has a filter called the reticular activating system, RAS. If you tell yourself life is boring, your brain will only find boring things. To clean this filter, you need solitude and silence. Instead of grabbing your smartphone first thing in the morning, ask, what does my soul truly want to see today? This prepares your lens to capture the synchronicity waiting for you. 6. Midlife crisis as a turning point. For those in their 40s and 50s, synchronicity is a survival tool. Jung called the second half of life the stage of individuation, finding your true self. During this time, synchronicities are signals telling you to shed your shell and follow your soul. A sudden memory of an old hobby or a chance encounter with a long-lost friend are GPS recalibrations from the universe. 7. Conclusion. Silence, the most beautiful music The universe does not scream. It speaks through silence. Only in silence can we hear our inner voice. Stop letting your life be a list of accidents. You are a precious necessity within the cosmic order. Read the ancient script written in a stranger's smile or a flower by the road. As Jung says, until you make the unconscious conscious, it will direct your life, and you will call it fate.